Are you curious about the level of difficulty encountered in pursuing a mechanical engineering degree? It's often considered one of the toughest degrees to achieve because it involves extensive studies in advanced math, physics, and other technical subjects. This video will shed light on this challenging course by breaking down its rigorous requirements and examining why many consider it difficult. Stick around if you're ready for a deep dive into what makes a mechanical engineer's academic journey an arduous climb. Key takeaways. Mechanical engineering is considered a difficult course due to its rigorous curriculum and technical requirements. The program requires extensive study of advanced math, physics, chemistry, and other technical subjects. Mastering critical thinking and problem-solving skills is crucial for success in mechanical engineering. Junior year is often regarded as the most challenging due to the abundance of technical courses. Mechanical engineering is considered a difficult course due to its technical requirements and advanced math and science classes. Technical requirements and advanced math and science classes. Mechanical engineering is notorious for its rigorous curriculum. Packed with scientific and technical requirements, the major demands a substantial understanding of advanced math, physics, and chemistry. Classes on aerodynamics, engineering theory, or material science are just few examples that pose significant challenges to students. It's not confined to these primary subjects. Further study in topics like statistics or other advanced technical fields is often mandated. This requirement level extends beyond typical coursework into practicals and workshops where theoretical knowledge meets real-world application, making every step of this degree journey an intensive learning process. In essence, excelling in each complex subject forms a crucial building block towards becoming a proficient mechanical engineer. Extensive mathematical and scientific requirements. Mechanical engineering requires a significant amount of mathematical and scientific knowledge. Students pursuing this degree must study subjects like advanced math, physics, chemistry, and other technical courses. These extensive requirements can be challenging and demanding for students. They need to have a solid foundation in these subjects to succeed in their studies. Challenges in mastering critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Mastering critical thinking and problem-solving skills can be one of the most challenging aspects of pursuing a degree in mechanical engineering. The field requires engineers to think analytically, creatively, and logically in order to solve complex problems. These skills are essential for designing innovative solutions and making informed decisions. However, developing these abilities takes time and practice. It involves applying theoretical knowledge to practical scenarios, analyzing data, synthesizing information from various sources, and considering multiple perspectives. Additionally, mechanical engineers must also possess strong communication skills to effectively convey their ideas and findings to colleagues and clients. Thus, honing critical thinking and problem-solving skills is a continuous process that requires dedication and perseverance throughout one's academic journey as a mechanical engineer. Junior year considered the hardest due to the bulk of technical courses. Junior year in mechanical engineering is widely regarded as the most challenging due to the abundance of technical courses. During this year, students are faced with a rigorous curriculum that includes subjects like aerodynamics, engineering theory, and material science. These courses demand extensive study and mastery of complex concepts and problem-solving skills. The workload can be overwhelming, requiring students to dedicate significant time and effort to succeed. Junior year serves as a crucial test of perseverance and determination for mechanical engineering students, pushing them to their limits as they tackle the bulk of their technical coursework. In conclusion, mechanical engineering is undeniably a challenging course. It requires extensive study of advanced math, science, and technical subjects. The rigorous coursework and demanding nature of the degree make it a difficult but rewarding path for those with a passion for problem-solving and critical thinking.